Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Hello my friends. I hope that you are doing well. Welcome to another video to learn French with Georges. Today we are going to sing a song together. And first I'm going to explain the song a little bit to you. So the name of the song is called Au clair de la lune. And again, this song is the song for the young Chinese, French, sorry, young French children. And it's all these songs have a history. It's an old song. So let's have a look. I'm here on Wikipedia, and you can say they said that this song, the first people would say it appears a little bit in 1566. So nobody knows for clear if this was inspired. You know how it is, huh? Everybody copies himself. So you have someone who and then the other people, oh yeah, that's a good, I'm going to copy. I change a little bit this word and that word and that word, and all of a sudden someone, it becomes famous, you know. So they say that in 1576, this could have been this by this guy, Jehan Chardavoine. But then there's Jean-Baptiste Lully. Jean-Baptiste Lully, who maybe is the one who created this music. So we don't know for sure. We don't know for sure. But anyway, it became very fashion in 1780. So it's at the French Revolution, you know, at the time of the French Revolution. So no, what did they say? Un effet de mode. Well, I'm not sure. It's up and. But what you have to know that it's very old. But it became famous, yeah, publication. It became famous in 1780. But it was published in 1843. Okay. So you know, many of these songs, they were like oral songs. People sing it. Da la la la. They sing it in the farms, in the families. Popular song. Ce sont des chansons populaires. Now let's see. Now what we're going to see about it. Yeah, and quite often, yes, of course, quite often when they see this, you see, they see the people who are this, they are like the people from Commedia dell'arte. So I will show you, and you will see from here. Where is it? You see, there's a kind of, be here, you cannot see it very well, but let's have a look at the next one. Yeah, often is someone like this, because there are two. The dress, the illustration that you can see here, is copied from Commedia dell'arte. Commedia dell'arte is the first theater that you have in France, and it comes from Italy. Okay, and they have some specific character in the theater, and some of them is has the white hat, and the other one is like this. Okay, I remember when I was a child, I had this kind of old book. I'm not sure if I still have it, that my grandmother gave me with all the children's songs, and I think there's these people here. Maybe it was another illustration, not sure about this one. Okay. Anyway, let's look at the words together now. And I will explain the words to you. Okay, that's the main one. Hein? Okay. Donc, au clair de la lune. Au clair de la lune means la lune is the moon. Le clair de la lune, it means when you can see because of the light of the moon. Un clair de lune is the light of the moon. You know, the moon ray. Donc it's the middle of the night. There is the moon. There is the light from the moon, and then this guy is saying, "Mon ami Pierrot, my friend Pierrot, prête-moi means lend me. Prête-moi ta plume." What is a plume? Plume is the feather. So people before, they wouldn't use the pen to write, they would use the kind of feather, you know, and they would dip it in some ink and so lend me your pen, lend me your feather pour écrire un mot, so that I can write a word. Pour écrire, to write, un mot, a word. Ma chandelle est morte. My candle is dead. Est morte. Elle est morte. She's dead. Je n'ai plus de feu. Je n'ai plus. I don't have any more. Fire. De feu. I don't have any more fire. Ouvre-moi ta porte. Ouvre-moi. Open. Ta porte. Your door. Open your door. Pour l'amour de Dieu. For the love of God. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. Okay, so this is the main words that we know. Maybe I'll see if we. Then there is the answer. So there's one guy who is here, who is ringing, you say, hey, hey, au clair de la lune, you see, the moonshine, au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot, my friend Pierrot, ou prête-moi ta plume, lend me the pencil, so that I can, pour écrire un mot, so that I can write, prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Ma chandelle, you see the candle, la chandelle is here. My candle is dead, ma chandelle est morte. Je n'ai plus de feu, I don't have fire anymore, my candle is dead. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu, for the love of God, open your door, you know. And then this guy here, Pierrot, will answer. So what is he going to answer? Let's have a look. What is he going to answer? Au clair de la lune, Pierrot répondit. But this one usually people don't learn. The number 2, the number 3, the number 4. Yeah, I can read it for you, but we are not going to sing it. We just sing the first one. Okay. Au clair de la lune, Pierrot répondit. So Pierrot answer. Je n'ai plus de plumes, je suis dans mon lit. I don't have any more feather. I don't have any more feather. I am in my bed. Je suis dans mon lit. Go to the neighbor. Va chez la voisine. Go to the neighbor. I think she's there. Je crois qu'elle y est. Car dans sa cuisine, on bat le briquet. So in her kitchen, she's cooking something in her kitchen. Just go to my neighbor. I also don't have any more feather, you know. And I'm in my bed, you know. Let's repeat together and sing together just the first paragraph. That's the main one. That's the one we learn. The other one we don't learn so much. Okay, okay, ready? 3 fois. Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot. Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot. Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot. Prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Something that we noticed here, hein? You see, lune, plume, Pierrot, mot, feu, Dieu. Because it's written as a poem. This is written as a poem. This is what we call in French language les vers, les vers. Because it's kind of poetry, and this song is very old. And then in the old time, when they write the song, they will always write it like this, like a poetry, you know. So anyway, let's repeat the first the first, les 4 premiers vers, the four sentences, 4 verse, okay. Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot, prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. Let's try and sing it all together. Vous êtes prêts? Ready? Go. Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot, prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. Let's repeat one more time, okay? Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot, prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ouvre-moi ta porte, pour l'amour de Dieu. One more time, last time. Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot, prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. Okay, let's try and sing it together with the instrument. Okay, if I can. Here it is. Okay. Hop, hop, on y va. Okay. Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot, prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. Let's do it one more time, okay? Clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot, prête-moi ta plume pour écrire un mot. Ma chandelle est morte, je n'ai plus de feu. Ouvre-moi ta porte pour l'amour de Dieu. So, okay, bravo, très bien, very good. And then what we are going to do now is I will ask you a few of the words that we saw today. How to say the moon, the moon. So let's have a look at here at the illustration. How to say the moon. La lune, la lune. How to say the candle, the candle. Ma chandelle, my candle. How to say I don't have any more fire, I don't have any more fire. Je n'ai plus de feu. Je n'ai plus. I don't have any more money. Je n'ai plus d'argent. I don't have any more. Je n'ai plus de feu. Open your door. Open your door. He's asking him, hey, open your door. Ouvre-moi ta porte. Ouvre-moi ta porte. What is this guy? His friend. His friend. So who say, my friend Pierrot. My friend Pierrot. Mon ami, my friend. Mon ami Pierrot. And then there's something that he asked me. Lend me your feather. Lend me your pencil. Lend me. Prête-moi. Lend me. Prête-moi your feather. Prête-moi ta plume. Prête-moi ta plume. Okay. And yeah, one last thing. The love of God. The love. L'amour de Dieu. So you can see at the time people were very religious. For the love of God, don't do this to me. For the love of God. You know, people were quite often use this kind of... Not anymore. The society changed. People change. Okay, I love you all. Take care everyone. And pour l'amour de Dieu, give me thumbs up. For the love of God, give me thumbs up. No, it's not good to say this, in fact. I don't like to say this because it's like a little bit, I would say, not blasphemy, but you don't ask. You don't ask for this kind of things, you know, to God. Okay, but if you like the videos, just give me thumbs up and it helps me to grow. I love you all. Take care, everyone.